Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you people are in good health. I'm back again to take your maths class. Now, in this class, I'm going to revise exercise 3B because I have got some requests from some parents to explain this exercise once again. Okay, so I'm going to explain exercise 3B once again today. Please be careful. Please try to concentrate and listen to me very carefully. Okay, this is very important. This is something new which you are doing. You are doing it for the first time. So I'm requesting all of you to pay attention when I'm going to explain you. Is it clear to all of you? So now let's start. Exercise 3B. Read the question very carefully. Fill in the blanks while subtracting using the place values. Fill in the blanks while subtracting using the place values. What is it written? 4 hundreds, 3 tenths, 3 ones minus 2 hundreds, 4 tenths, 8 ones. Please see carefully. 400, 3 tenths, 3 ones minus 2 hundreds, 4 tenths, 8 ones. See, how have I written here? 4, 3, 3. That means 4 hundreds, 3 tenths, 3 tenths, 3 ones, 3 ones. Minus 2 hundreds, 2 is in the hundreds place, 4 tenths, 4 is in the tenths place, and 8 ones. 433 minus 248. Now this particular thing, I can also write in another way by changing the tens and the ones place or the hundreds place maybe at times. See, in the next line, it's already given 4 hundreds, 2 tenths. 4 hundreds, 2 tenths. The total will be 433. Right? This total will be 433. Now, already 4 hundreds, 2 tenths is given. I don't know what will be there in the ones place. I don't know. So, what will I do? What will I do? From 433 in the rough walk, 433 minus 420. Because I know 4 hundreds, 2 tenths is already given. We have to find out what will be written, what will we write in the ones place. See, that means 433 minus 420. Subtract it. 3 minus 0, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. So what will I write here? 13. 13 ones means 13 only. Right. Now 420 plus 13. You see? 0 plus 3, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. 4, 4. 433. Again it came to 433. This portion. 4 hundreds plus 2 tenths, that means 420 plus 13 ones. 420 plus 13, 433. Again minus. This is the same as it is in the first step. 2 hundreds, 4 tenths, here also 4 tenths, 8 ones, here also 8 ones. Next line. 3 hundreds. I don't know what will we write in the tens place and in the ones place. We only know 3 hundreds. The total should be 433. Right? The total should be 433. Now from 433, I will deduct 300s. 300. So 433 minus 300, how much? 3 minus 0, 3. 3 minus 0, again 3. 4 minus 3, 1. 133. So how many tens and how many ones will I write? Can I write 13 tens and 3 ones? Children, can I write? That means 3 hundreds plus 13 tens means 130 plus 3 ones means plus 3. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 3, 3. Again, 0 plus 3, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. See, again the total will come to 433. So, what will I write? 13 tens, 3 ones. 13 tens, 3 ones. Please look at it very carefully. 3 hundreds, 13 tens, 3 ones. See here, 300, 13 tens means 130 plus 3 ones means 3. The total will come to 433. Minus same as it is as the before one. 2 hundreds, 4 tens, 8 ones. Next step. Dash hundreds, dash tens, dash ones equal to 185. That means 1 hundreds, not hundreds, 100, 8 tens, 5 ones. Why did I write 185, 100, 3, 8 tens and 5 ones? Because we have got now 433 here minus 248. It will come to 185. You can see the subtraction I am doing it here. 433 minus 248. 13 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 5. 4 plus 1, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 8. 2 plus 1, 3. 4 minus 3, 1. 185. The answer will be 185. So, I have written 100, 8 tens, 5 ones. Please see it very carefully. Please see the steps very carefully. Very carefully. Okay, now let's go to the next one. The question is 8 hundreds, 2 tens, 2 ones minus 3 hundreds, 8 tens, 3 ones. So 8 hundreds, I am writing here H, 2 tens, T, 2 ones, O, minus 383. 383. That means this is the hundreds place, tens place, ones place. Clear? Now, instead of next step, instead of 8 hundreds, they have written 7 hundreds. But this total means before minus till here, this portion will come to 822. How? I know 700s here. So let me subtract 822 minus 700. 2 minus 0, 2. 2 minus 0, 2. 8 minus 7, 1. 122. 122. Then how many tens will I write and how many ones will I write? Children, can I write 12 tens and 2 ones? 12 tens means 120. 2 ones means 2. And already 700s is there. 700. So let us add and see it's coming to 822 or not. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 2, 2. 0 plus 2, 2. 7 plus 1, 8. See, the total is again coming to 822. So, what will I write in the tens place? 12 tens and 2 ones. The total will come to 822. Minus again the same thing. 3 hundreds, 8 tens, 3 ones. Please see to it carefully. Now in the next step, we have to just subtract. That means 822 minus 383. The answer will be 439. That means 4 hundreds, 3 tens, 9 ones. You can see it once. 822 minus 383. 12. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 9. 8 plus 1, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3. 3 plus 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4. 439. See, 439 in the answer. Please see it very carefully. Very carefully, very minutely. Please, I'm requesting all of you, please see this. And this rough work will be done on the right side of the page. You are going to draw a line here, not this way, how I have shown. No, this is for explaining you. While you will do it, draw the rough work on the right side of your page and write rough, like this, rough. And then do these workings. Okay? Hope I have made it clear to you now. Please see the video again and again. You will be able to understand. Okay? And I'm going to I've already sent the snapshots of this exercise. Today also I'm going to send it again. Okay? Please practice this type of sums at home. And the tables. Okay? Please don't forget to learn the tables. We are going to meet in the next class again. Stay home and enjoy learning. Thank you.